Mention the question what is my pollution. Write one sentence for that. First of all, write this first question. In the introduction given see below the solid waste management. Solid, you hearing? Solid waste management. Diagram number 9.2. First of all, about pollution. See the first question. Note down it. Very simple one. Write it. It is rise in contamination. Rise in contamination. CONTAMINATION. Rise in contamination of environment due to human or other activities. Human or other activities. Note down second. Second question is in which different way do your surrounding get polluted? Write few points about this. Wherever we are living, how our surrounding get polluted. Maybe around our house, wherever you are living now, just now, throwing garbage is there. Daily activities of human being, that is what type of different garbage is formed. For that garbage, we must have two main points. First is how to manage the garbage and how to dispose it. Right, note down second question. In which different ways do our surrounding get polluted? First write all type of solid waste. All type of solid waste. Put dash and write management and disposal. How to manage and how to dispose. How to manage it, that is how to control it, how to dispose after collection. These are the main points. Second, we can use this waste as a source of energy. You can use this waste as a source of energy. Just like we can turn towards biogas plants, we can produce the cooking gas, manure. Third point about the management, right? The serious problem of solid waste cause pollution of all ecosystem. All ecosystem. or ecosystem, which can affect on economic growth, economic growth, comma, environmental degradation, as well as on health, as well as on health. These are the few points for the our pollution. Now observe the diagram number 9.2. They are given us the sources of the solid waste. What they are, see, observe the garbage collected in the dustbin, maybe in the house or maybe in the classroom. Make a list and think about that how you can properly disposal all type of garbage when you are collecting in the dustbin, maybe dry or wet. How we can dispose, it will be main problem. Turn the page. Diagram number 9.3, area with garbage, as well as when you compare with the area with the clean one. Diagram number A and B 9.3. What they are say? What is main difference between these two diagrams? 9.2A and 9.2B. And second, what they ask? What should we do permanently to maintain condition seen in the picture B? If you compare both the rows, we can see the garbage has been thrown anywhere in the diagram number 9.2A. How it can look dirty one. In second diagram, see the road has been clean and it looks very nice. No any garbage. To keep this or to maintain this cleanliness on the road permanently, what type of process you can maintain? What will be your answer for this? Yes? That means from individually we have to change ourselves. When you are traveling anywhere, do not create garbage, do not throw it on anywhere here and there. When you, they are given in that nearby diagram, paragraph, one by one. Many waste material are generated through the various daily human activities. This is called as solid waste. If this waste will be properly disposal, they can be valuable source of energy. That means if you manage this solid waste properly, it will convert into source of energy. Otherwise, what will form? Currently, see that what given. Solid waste is a serious worldwide problem which can cause both water and soil pollution. Water and soil pollution. That means the solid waste can be directly accumulated in the soil, mix in the water, they contaminate both. They contaminate both water as well as soil, and both will be get polluted if you don't manage the solid waste. That's why we have to manage it properly. That means it can remain away from the contamination and it can directly stop which is effect on economic growth, environmental degradation and the health. And then both this word, first paragraph below the question, solid waste is a serious problem with respect to economic growth, environmental degradation sentence can be asked for the fill in the blank. Underline properly. Now see how it can affect on the nature and due to our human habitat, our daily habits, how it can be affect on the environment, see, which can cause air pollution, water pollution as well as the soil pollution also. The come in that box, see, they are given the garbage production per day in different cities. Under that figure, solid waste generated in the main metro cities of the state, approximately figure are given. See, in Mumbai 5,000 ton per day, Pune 1,700 tons per day, and in Nagpur 900 tons per day. Now see this huge figure, how will you convert into source of energy? How we can stop this effect on ecosystem as well as on the health? How we can stop air pollution, water pollution as well as soil pollution? These are the different things. Then give us see one example on the 26th July 2005. Due to the flood arise in the Mumbai, due to improper solid waste management, all the drainage are blocked and the water has been come on the road directly, and they cause serious problem of this garbage due to the heavy rainfall. Due to the heavy rainfall. Now below that, see, note down the first question. What is meant by solid waste? What is meant by solid waste? Write the answer for this. For solid waste. The unwanted solid material. Unwanted solid material which we do not need, for a long time, and which is thrown away, are called solid waste. Now second question. What are the different things included in solid waste? Now you can write all the examples in your house. Write the names of all the solid waste. Write the name first. Waste in the house is called as domestic waste. For domestic, domestic, domestic waste. Then the industrial, then comma biomedical, then the electronic, different papers, plastic, write all these names or other names which you know, which can include in the solid waste. Whatever you know, you can add few examples. Domestic, industrial, biomedical, electronic, plastic and paper. Now come in the chart on the next page. use of many materials and articles in our daily life, which are different types and kinds. If you dispose properly, it will be slightly decrease on adverse effect on environment. Come on the second page, see the chart, read the following table, and what do you notice? They are given, see. They are given different types of waste, see. One by one we will see classification of different waste. Classification of different waste. See that first one, domestic waste. In this domestic waste, see which things are comes in the domestic. All type of waste, see. Waste food, paper, plastic bag, vegetable, fruit, glass, metal, plastic, all this. These are some sources which create domestic waste. Whatever we are using in the house, different types of the plastic paper, plastic bag, carry bags, throwing out the all type of the vegetable, remaining parts of fruit, then glass, metal articles, and different types of the plastic articles. These are in the domestic one. Come in the industrial now, second one. Which type of waste will be thrown out? See, in the industrial second one. After the process, the chemicals, pigments, sludge, ash, and metals. Underline all these names. Chemicals, pigment means color product, sludge, semi-solid substance, ash, and pieces of metal. Pieces of metal. Second one is hazardous. Hazardous waste. See which type of this hazardous waste are? See all type of chemical sources which are thrown out or leave out from the different industries. Radioactive material, explosive material, and other material which are infectious. Underline all these words: chemical, radioactive, explosive, and infectious. Chemical, radioactive, explosive, and infectious. Second, see electronic waste. Which are this electronic? Under the word electronic waste, all type of non-functioning parts of all equipments, considering for common example television, cell phone, music system, computer. Whatever the electronic machines are there, which you are using in the house and anywhere in the industries or in your offices, after unused, when it stop working, it can be converted into one type of the waste. Non-functioning, under this word, non-functioning. Non-functioning television set, cell phones, music system, computer, with their all small parts. With their all small parts. Then come under biomedical. Now this is common one in the hospitals. We know it. Bandage, dressing material, gloves, needles, saline bottles, medicine bottles, test tube, body parts during operations, then blood bank waste and laboratory waste. Underline this word, biomedical waste. You must know at least 5-6 examples: bandage, dressing material, gloves, needles, saline bottles, medicine bottles, body parts, cotton with blood, blood bank waste, as well as laboratory waste. Now next one is urban waste. Urban waste. See which are those urban waste one by one. Urban means, you know what mean by urban waste? In big cities, see the waste generated through the household industries, then commercial, industrial. These are the common waste in the big cities. In the urban area as compared to the rural area, waste generated through household industries, commercial and industrial. These are the main one. Then see the use of carry bags, glass, metal, then rubber, plastic, vegetable, meat market and construction waste. These are the urban waste material, and then at least 5 to 6 names: household, commercial and industrial. Then common: carry bags, glass, metal, thread, rubber, plastic, papers, cans, vegetable, meat market and construction. Second one, see radioactive. Radioactive waste. See which are those? Under these names now, which emits the radioactive rays. First name: strontium 10, cerium 141, barium 140. Then heavy water, all this comes from atomic energy plant, uranium, atomic research center and nuclear weapon testing area. Nuclear weapon testing area. These are the common ones. And then this are first three names: strontium 10, cerium 141, barium 140. It can also the green blanks, as well as heavy water. Next one is mining. Most important. Mining waste. It consists of heavy metals under these names: lead, arsenic, cadmium. It can also have the one mark: lead, arsenic, cadmium. Lead, arsenic, cadmium. Come now on the same one. Types of garbage. Types of garbage. They are given. See in the front of, think about it. In which two categories can the waste material is separate out as an classification? First giving biodegradable waste. First heading biodegradable waste. Rather heading types of waste. First one, biodegradable. biodegradable waste. Under this C, which type of the waste will come? Mainly it includes all type of the kitchen waste, that means spoiled food, fruit, vegetable, ash, soil, animal dung, parts of plant. Mainly this waste is organic type and they are called as wet solid waste. Put dash and write, it is wet solid waste. In front of biodegradable, write, it is wet solid waste, or it is also called as wet garbage. Wet garbage. Wet garbage. After decompose, what we can prepare? See, we can use this waste to convert into decomposition process, and we can produce biofuel. Leave one line and write, we can produce biofuel by decomposition process. Biofuel by decomposition process. Second one, non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Under this C, all the material which comes under this, it requires very long period for decomposition. It requires long period time period. It requires various techniques and various machineries. See, which are those? Plastic, metal, and other material which is similar to the both plastic and metal. And this type of waste is called as dry solid waste. Dry solid waste, or it is also called as dry garbage. Dry garbage. Come under this. Now note down first question in front of, why is it necessary to recycle non-degradable waste? Yes, one by one. Why is it necessary